lectures I will put on the group also after recording. So today's your first lecture ka recorded lecture I will put, so that in case your Wi-Fi is not working, then you are able to go through it and understand the terms before you attend the next class, so that everything is clear. Ninth, you all know it's very simple. Thank you. Correct. Keval. Ninth is slightly tricky, but ninth becomes base. If it becomes easier, then your 10th will be very simple, smooth ride. So we'll write first name of the chapter.
Sir, Tarun just called.
device को इन लो ना.
हाँ बेटा.
My second device को इन लो ना.
No, but I cannot see anywhere. अच्छा एक minute. हाँ देखो.
Sir, Tarun is waiting. Sorry, Tarun is also joining. He told me just now. He called me.
अच्छा अच्छा. Bhavya, it is showing joining, but no other indication. भव्या.
हाँ हाँ सर मैं ज्वाइन हो रहा हूँ.
अच्छा अच्छा, तो आपको मिल गया ना बिल?
हाँ ये.
नो प्रॉब्लम. चैप्टर नंबर 1, measurements and experimentation. So in this chapter we have to do measurement and one experiment. That's why name is measurement. And yes, Tarun. Tarun, good morning.
Good evening, sir. Sorry, sir, I
joined very early.
Sorry, sir.
Went to washroom?
No, sir. I was sleeping, so sorry, sir.
अरे इतना मस्त नींद छोड़ के पढ़ाई कर रहे, क्या बात. How much you slept? 1 hour, 2 hour?
Sir, it's 5 minutes.
10 minutes. That means it is physical quantity. Time for which you are sleeping. What you saw in the sleep?
Sir, nothing.
Any dream of physics?
No.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? आज के बाद फ्री ड्रीम आएगा देखो.
सर.
यस बेटा.
सर एक सेकंड मैं वीडियो ऑफ रख रहा हूँ, मैं वॉशरूम जाके आया.
अरे सच में, मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था, बोल दिया तो वॉशरूम आ गया. हाँ ठीक है, जाके आओ फटाफट. Sudhanshu, you are in washroom or you are also trying to go to washroom?
Sir, I am here.
अच्छा अच्छा. Let our washroom wala person come.
Okay,
Just
sir.
one heading will write. Very good chapter we are doing, physical quantity. थोड़ा रटने जैसा है chapter, physical quantity. Can I say those quantities which can be measured are called as physical quantities. What are physical quantities?
Physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured.
Very good. Can you give any example?
Length,
Very good.
area,
Huh?
time,
Yes.
Breadth.
So
mass.
can I say length, mass, time, temperature,
Height.
rest all. Yes, these are basic. Just copy this much. Yes, Tarun.
Yes,
Tarun,
sir.
have you
Yes,
followed which quantities are physical quantities?
Yes, sir.
आज मैं बहुत टीवी देखा, तो कैन आई से कितना देखा?
Yes, sir, we can measure the time.
Time, but we cannot measure our expression.
Yes, sir.
So expressions are not physical quantity. Time is physical quantity. I went to washroom for 5 minutes. So that minute is measurable quantity. So few quantities are measurable. They are physical quantities, not measurable. They are not physical. Right. Yes, Bhavya, are you there now?
Yeah, sir. Just
Oh.
I just came now.
Okay, बहुत वॉशरूम गया लगता है. How was your trip? Very fine.
Yeah, sir. Very
Awesome.
fine. Awesome.
Very good. Yeah, you enjoyed COVID. Here people are suffering from COVID.
Yeah.
Okay. Just write this definition which I have given. You can keep video off or like when I say then put it on, huh?
Yeah. No problem, sir.
Okay. Because then it will take bandwidth, right? Sometimes Wi-Fi may not be able to connect. Bhavya, just put it off. Because of that, there is fluctuation. See.
Okay, sir.
No, so it's perfect. Yes, everybody has written this
Sir,
first.
chapter name is measurements and experiment.
Yes. Experimentation. First chapter of your book, where we are starting with what are physical quantities.
Yeah, sir. I am writing now.
Once you have done, please guide me.
Sir, I have finished.
Okay,
Okay,
dear.
Same here, sir.
Sudhanshu, what are physical quantities?
Physical quantities are those which can be measured.
Give some example.
Time, length, height.
Okay. Tarun done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Bhavya done? Can I clear now from the screen? Yes, Bhavya, can I clear it off?
Wait, sir.
Okay. Wait, I will measure and tell you how much it is.
Hello.
Yes?
Yeah, sir. Done.
Done. Okay. Sudhanshu, you depend on your daddy or your daddy depends upon you?
Sir, I depend on my name.
That means you are derived and daddy is fundamental. So there are two physical quantities. First we said there are physical quantity are those quantities which can be measured. Then I am telling there are two physical quantities, two types of physical quantities. सबका इंग्लिश स्ट्रांग है क्या?
Yes, sir.
मेरा तो बहुत स्ट्रांग है. I know A to Z. You all also know A to Z.
Yes, sir.
A depends upon what?
B.
B.
A depends upon B and B depends upon BB.
B, C.
A is independent. B is independent. C is independent. Cat depends upon what? Cat. C, A.
C, A, and T.
That means cat is derived from A, B, C. And A, B, C are what? Fundamental, not followed.
Followed, sir.
Dog depends upon what?
D-O-N-G.
D-O-G.
TO means what?
T-O.
No, TO means how to read.
Yeah. It's derived.
Derived. How to read this? This is what? In
Two.
English, two. TO,
Two.
and Geo,
Go.
Go.
don't say two goo. That's not there. So TO is derived, but T is fundamental, O is fundamental. So those quantities which does not depends upon any other quantities are fundamental quantities. I am telling you list of fundamental. That list you have to by heart. Rest all are derived, that you don't have to by heart. For example, length is fundamental, mass is fundamental, time is fundamental, electric current is fundamental, temperature is fundamental, amount of substance fundamental, luminous intensity is fundamental. These are basic fundamental quantities. Tarun, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So those quantities which does not depend upon any other quantity is called fundamental. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 name I have to buy. Now I'm asking. Yes, Keval, any doubt here?
Yes, sir. I didn't understood what is this amount of substance and luminous intent.
ये मैंने ऐसे ही कुछ तो फेंका सपोज. हाँ फिर बाद में समझाता हूँ. कुछ तो फेंका है ना? हेलो 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 हेलो.
Yes, sir. कुछ तो होगा.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ तो है, बट वो कुछ तो फंडामेंटल है. Anything other than that, I will say it is what? Derived.
Derived.
Now you tell me. Area is what?
Derived.
Derived because it is not in this list.
Yes.
Time is what?
Fundamental.
Fundamental.
Ohm is what?
What?
Ohm.
Derived.
Derived. Hari Om.
Derived.
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 Shahrukh Khan.
Derived.
Derived.
Amount of substance.
Fundamental.
Fundamental.
आपण यांना पाहिलात का?
Derived.
Derived.
Huh?
कुछ भी फेंका ना. आपण यांना पाहिलात का? कुछ भी फेंक दिया. शाहरुख
सर आप
खान.
वापस समझा सकते हो ये डिराइव्ड और ये कैसे पहचानने का?
एक मिनट, मेरे पास एक कॉइन है, मैं उसको टॉस करता हूँ एयर में, पहचान को. सॉरी हाँ, मजाक किया.
ओके.
क्या था कि जोक मारा. एक मिनट होगा, एक मिनट. Who is asking this? Bhavya?
भव्य या सर.
Bhavya, wait. Bhavya, where you have gone to Sikkim?
Yes.
How you came to know it is Sikkim?
I already know.
That means you either might have seen in geography or you might have seen that milestone or some.
Yeah.
mark.
Yes.
Okay. So length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. Our scientists they say this does not depend upon any other quantities. Regard them as fundamental. So anything other than this, what I should say? Derived, na? Not yet followed.
Yeah, sir.
So whenever I say fundamental or derived, you check list में है क्या? नहीं है तो derived बोल देना.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Ice cream. Ice cream. अरे
Then derived.
Derived.
मतलब derived. पाव भाजी.
Derived.
Derived.
Length.
Fundamental.
Fundamental.
Time.
Fundamental.
Temperature.
Fundamental.
Fundamental.
Friction.
नहीं,
Derived.
Derived.
Viscosity.
Derived.
Derived.
Joule.
Derived.
Julie.
Derived.
Derived.
So
Julie.
which कुछ भी फेंक रहा हो इसे. So if it is not coming in the list, I will say derived, whether I know or I don't. I hope you followed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A, B, C. Fundamental or derived? A, B, C.
Derived.
Derived.
Okay. So now you got idea, na?
Yes, sir.
So in exam they can ask, classify the following into fundamental and derived. तो fundamental को उठा के इधर इधर डाल देना, बाकी सब derived. Not followed.
Followed, sir.
Yes, Bhavya, Keval,
Yes, sir.
Tarun.
Yes, sir. Followed.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. Followed.
What are physical quantities? Those quantities which can be
Measured.
Measured.
measured. How many types of physical quantities are there?
Two types.
Two
Two
types.
types,
Two types of
fundamental
it.
and derived.
Derived.
Very good. What are fundamental quantities?
Fundamental quantities are quantities which are independent.
That means does not depend upon any other quantity.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So can I say those physical quantities which does not depends depends upon any other quantities are called as fundamental quantities. Afterwards, I will give list with their units. Huh? So right now only meaning I am telling. So can you suggest what will be derived quantities?
Like area.
No, meaning. So can I say those quantities which depends upon fundamental are called derived?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, right the answer. Once you complete, tell, huh?
Sir, I have completed. I am Keval.
Okay, beta. After 2 days with your voice, I will come to know who is telling.
Okay.
So 2 days I will ask who is speaking. After that, I will come to know. Yes, Sudhanshu, Tarun, Bhavya, completed.
नहीं sir. I am on derived quantities.
Very
Done, sir.
okay, okay. That's also complete.
Completed.
Okay, everybody has gone. Tarun.
Yes, I have done.
Okay, Tarun. Okay. Shall I clear now? Bhavya?
Yeah, sir. You can clear.
Okay. See, when we say we have to measure something, so exactly what we have to do? What is meaning of measuring means? We are telling chapter's name is measurement. So we have to measure that physical quantity. So Sudhanshu,
Yes, sir.
suppose you have to measure your height, then you bring kilogram.
No, sir.
No. You will measure something in terms of length, na?
Yes.
So if you have 1 meter scale, then you will say my height is double the meter which I have. So you compared your height with what? Length or not of the
Yes.
scale. If you have to compare your mass or weight, then you will take weight only or not.
Yes, sir.
So I have got 1 kg ka weight. but I am 60 kg. So can I say I am 60 times more than that 1 kg?
Yes.
So measuring means actually I am comparing myself with something standard of same type or not.
Yes, sir.
Can I compare my smartness with somebody?
Yeah.
It will become relative. Suppose I say I am very smart. You will say, sir, क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? सलमान खान को देखो कितना smart है. But I said, why I will say Salman Khan? I will say Rajpal Yadav. उससे तो मैं smart हूँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So whenever I'm comparing something, then it should be of similar type. I cannot say I will compare my smartness with the mark of Keval. Keval, can I compare my smartness with your mark?
No, sir.
I have to compare with my own mark or not.
Yes, sir.
So if I want to compare smartness by mark, then should I measure temperature?
No, sir.
No, no. You say, sir, what? You are telling mark and you are measuring my temperature. With that, what mark has got connection? So mark should be compared with mark. Weight must be compared with weight. Height must be compared with height.
Hmm.
Area must be compared with area.
Hmm.
So can I say measurement is the process of comparison of physical quantity?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
With whom you will compare? Mango you will compare with tomato?
A standard
No,
unit.
no. हाँ नहीं नहीं स्टैंडर्ड फिजिकल क्वांटिटी जिसका यूनिट तो अलग है. अभी मेजरमेंट का प्रोसेस मतलब क्या? स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी ऑफ सेम नेचर. somebody says सर मेरे को ना मैंगो अल्फोंसो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. दूसरा बोला क्या पागल है, मेरे को तो काकड़ी मस्त लगता है. तो चलेगा क्या ये?
No, sir.
नो नो काकड़ी को काकड़ी से करेंगे ना, वाकड़ी थोड़ी. तो कैन आई से मेजरमेंट इज प्रोसेस ऑफ comparing physical quantity with known standard quantity. So mango should be compared with mango. Somebody says I like
Yes, sir.
Alfonso. Somebody says no, I like Rajapuri mango. Somebody says ये तो कुछ नहीं, I like केसर mango. Somebody says ये तो कुछ नहीं, I like Maaza mango. So mango should be compared with mango only or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What that means? What is measurement? It is process
Com-
of
comparison
a physical quantity with
a
standard.
known standard quantity of the same nature.
Same nature होना चाहिए बराबर.
Okay, sir.
Right. So in exam they ask what is measurement, then I am telling answer. Right. It is
Process of comparison.
yes beta. Please write down. When you write, you'll remember. Huh? It is not punishment.
Okay, sir.
It
Yeah,
is the-
sir.
and otherwise I am taking punishment every day. It is the process of what is happening? Don't put off your video. Don't put on please because otherwise this bandwidth is low.
सर मजा नहीं आता है वीडियो ऑफ रखने का.
अच्छा भाई नेक्स्ट टाइम से ना मैं नया अच्छा टाइप का वीडियो लेकर एक कैमरा लेके आता हूँ. आज खाली बियर करो नहीं तो ये जा रहा है ना.
ओके सर.
It is the process of comparison of the given process of comparison of the given physical quantity with the known standard quantity with known standard quantity of the same nature. The process of comparison of the given physical quantity with the known standard quantity of the same nature.
Done, sir.
Okay. Sudhanshu, Keval, Bhavya, Tarun. After 9th, I think you'll be doing 10th also.
Sir, can you go back? No, yeah, sir, done.
Okay, you want to see again?
Oh, what was
Oh,
the
no.
last?
Yeah, sir.
Done?
What was the last word?
Nature of the same nature. Standard
Okay.
quantity of the same nature.
Sir, I have also finished.
Okay. After 9th, you will do 10th, na?
Yes, sir.
And after
Yes, sir.
10th, you will go to 11th.
Physical quantity.
Pardon?
No, sir, that way this also is a physical quantity, right?
Hmm.
9, 10.
So after you complete your graduation, whether in technology or in science or in medicine, your parents will feel that you are settled. What do you say?
No, sir.
नो तो मतलब आप आशीर्वाद लेंगे पेरेंट का तभी उनको लगेगा बच्चा सेटल्ड हो गया.
Sir, for that you have to earn income, na, to be settled.
No, you are earning also.
Okay. Then we are settled.
Daddy says अभी आपका मैं
सर बट सेटल मतलब क्या सेटल?
मेंटली सेटल, घर पे टाइम पे आता है और घर से टाइम पे जाते हैं, ऐसा सेटल.
या सर.
तो घर पे कोई तो चाहिए ना जिसके लिए आप टाइम पे आएंगे, टाइम पे जाएंगे.
मम्मी पापा है ना.
मतलब हम दो, हमारे दो ऐसा. डैडी ने बोला सी केवल, सी सुधांशु, तरुण एंड भव्य, नाउ यू आर 28 years, we will get married so that you are having some obligation, कुछ जिम्मेदारी रहेगा. तो आप लोग ने बोला इसमें क्या है, आप कोई भी लड़की ढूंढ लो, खाली उसका हाइट मेरे से थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए. डैडी बोला इसमें क्या है. डैडी वेंट टू सर्च द गर्ल. लेकिन डैडी ने आपका हाइट मम्मी को बोला था मापने के लिए, तो मम्मी ने ऐसा 1 span 2 span ऐसा माप लिया. स्पैन मतलब फिंगर से मापते हैं ना हम लोग ऐसा.
Yeah.
हैंड स्पैन.
या उसको बीच भी बोलते हैं ना. तो जैसे डैड की लड़की को दे दे, डैडी बोला चलो संडे हो गया, आज जाके उधर चाय पानी भी पीते, लड़की पसंद आई तो सगुन भी दे दे. तो व्हेन यू सॉ द गर्ल यू टोल्ड डैडी लड़की का हाइट तो बहुत कम है, मैंने आपको बोला था थोड़ा कम, अमिताभ जाए लगेगा. तो डैडी सेड नो, मम्मी टोल्ड योर स्पैन, यू आर 6 स्पैन, आई काउंटेड. लेकिन डैडी का स्पैन मम्मी का स्पैन से ज्यादा रहेगा ना.
हाँ.
Yeah, sir. सबका अलग अलग स्पैन होगा.
हाँ. तो आपने बोला सी डैडी नेक्स्ट टाइम ना प्लीज डोंट डू दिस मिस्टेक. अपने पॉकेट से निकाला एक मेजरिंग टेप. बोला सी डैडी टेक दिस एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑनवर्ड्स यू टेल मी इन दिस मेजरिंग वाला इंस्ट्रूमेंट. सो व्हाट इज मार्क्ड इन दैट मेजरिंग टेप?
सर वो स्टैंडर्ड है.
Then
हाँ, क्या स्टैंडर्ड है वो? सेंटीमीटर नहीं तो मीटर ना.
यस.
तो कैन आई
क्वांटिटी या
से
फिर यूनिट
Unit.
स्टैंडर्ड है.
this is called unit. So can I say my weight is like 5 dogs in my area?
no sir.
No, I will say
5
50 kg,
5
60 kg,
kg.
ऐसा बोलूंगा ना मैं.
Yes, sir.
So I will not compare myself with dog. I will compare with some standard that is called kg for my weight, and for my height centimeter or meter or foot, and for time second. So can I say the standard used for measuring physical quantities are called as units?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
What are units?
Uh,
The
The standard quantity which is used
Used
to
for measuring.
measure physical quantity.
correct. The standard used for measuring physical quantities are called as units. Not followed.
Followed, sir.
Followed.
Write down. The standard used for measuring physical quantities are called as units. Or Two definitions.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Or we can say unit is the quantity of constant magnitude. That means if I take meter, then it is actually 1 meter, which is having fixed value. Unit is quantity of constant magnitude, which, yes, Bhavya,
Sir, what is magnitude?
1 meter is 100 centimeter. That is called magnitude. I ate 2 chapati. 2 is called magnitude. मतलब कितना बोला ना, कितना. That is called magnitude. How much is called as what? Magnitude.
Comparison.
Anything comparison is magnitude. Yes.
Hmm.
So unit is the quantity of constant value.
Sir,
Magnitude.
sir, like magnitude means comparison of two units.
No, magnitude is independent. It depends you are comparing similar type. 1 meter and 2 meter. How you compare? 2 meter is double of 1 meter or not?
Yes.
That 1 meter should not change. No. For me, 1 meter is my hand. For you, it is 1 meter is 2 hand. It should not change. No.
Yes, yes.
So my 1 meter, your 1 meter, Osama bin Laden's 1 meter, or Trump. Trump, his 1 meter must be same or not?
No.
No. Suppose,
Sir, how everyone's 1 meter will be same?
because everybody is measuring with device which is constant. So I purchase meter scale with from Donald Trump and I give to our Prime Minister Modi, then it will become 2 meter.
No.
It will remain same, no?
Yes, yes.
So
the
my-
hand size, I was talking about the hand size.
No, that's why they are different, na?
Yes, yes.
So unit is quantity of constant magnitude which is used to measure. Unit is the quantity of constant magnitude which is used to measure the magnitude of other quantity. That means if I take 1 meter, I can measure 10 meter with this standard.
Yes.
By 10 time I should measure it 1, 2, 10. So unit is the quantity of constant magnitude. It is used to measure the magnitude of other physical quantity of same nature. That means meter will not measure weight. Meter will not measure time. Meter will measure meter only. Not still followed. Yes, clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Keval?
Written.
Very good, beta.
Yeah,
Right.
sir, clear.
One more line. Huh? It is the quantity of constant magnitude used to measure the magnitude of other quantities of same nature. Same nature.
Yes, sir, written.
Written. Can I clear now? Hello, can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I say physical quantity is expressed as numerical value into unit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if they say physical quantity is dash into dash, what you will say? Numerical value.
Numerical into
Multiplied by unit.
unit.
So it can be 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter and so on. Now just for your knowledge, one quantity is 3 meter. Can I write 300?
Centimeter.
Very good. मतलब number becomes mota, then unit becomes chota.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I say number and unit are ulta, inverse?
Steep
Inverse
proportional.
variation.
Yes. Got it? Meaning followed?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, just copy this line. Number becomes mota, unit becomes chota.
Sir, which line?
No, this whole physical quantity is expressed as numerical value into
Okay,
unit.
yeah, sir.
This they can ask us filling the blanks for you in the exam. Physical quantity is dash into dash. Numerical value into.
Sir, I have written.
Others have also written. Keval is
No,
very
Yes, sir.
fast.
Done.
Yes, Keval.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very fast. Huh? Good.
Sir, wait.
Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah, sir, done.
Tarun.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Done.
sir, done.
Okay. Have you ever been to abroad, Tarun?
Yeah.
Where you have been?
Kathmandu, Nepal.
Nepal. Okay. Any other place other than Nepal?
No.
I've been to Sri Lanka. I'm just joking.
Okay.
So if I go to US or UK, can I speak in my mother tongue there?
No, sir.
No.
So which language do you
English.
understand? English.
English. Not English.
English. Okay, English. Can they understand Gujarati, Marathi, Hindi?
No, sir.
So why they understand English only, man?
Sir, in different countries, there is a standard of language used there.
But which is that international language used everywhere?
English.
English.
Everywhere.
That's why after 10th, you may be from any medium, you are taught physics in English only or not?
Yes.
Because it is
Yes.
Physics.
universally, all subjects, it is universally accepted. Why we are teaching in English? Because it is universally accepted. Why you joined English medium? So that whether you settle in India or Nepal or Sri Lanka or Bangladesh or Dubai or Singapore, at least English everybody will know or not.
Yes, sir.
I went to US. जैसे ही उतरा बहुत भूख लग गया था. उधर देखा वड़ा पाव का दुकान था.
हैं?
बर्गर शॉप था. मुझे लगा वड़ा पाव रहेगा.
Oh.
तो उसको बोला एक वड़ा पाव दो. पहला तो स्टेयर किया मेरे ऊपर. फिर बोला ओके गिव 500 रुपीज. मैंने उसको 2000 रुपए का नोट दिया. उसने बोला 500 रुपीज देखा, गुस्से से फाड़ दिया. आई सेड व्हाई यू आर डूइंग दिस. बोला हमारा कंपनी में ये नहीं डॉलर लगता है. मैं बोला इसमें कौन सा बड़ा बात है. मैं एक डब्बा 10-10 रुपए का सिक्का लेके गया. बोला ये लो 10 का डॉलर. बोला ये डॉलर नहीं, हमारा करेंसी का नाम है डॉलर. तो मुझे समझ गया माय रुपी इज नॉट यूनिवर्सली एक्सेप्टेड, नॉट फॉलोड.
Understood.
सर वो
Understood.
$5 रहेगा ना, 5 रुपीज कहाँ पे रहेगा?
नहीं उसने डॉलर बोला, मेरे तो मालूम नहीं था. मुझे लगा वो 5 रुपए सिक्के का बात कर रहे हैं. तो मुझे
अच्छा,
समझ गया अपना रुपए का वैल्यू यूएस वाला नहीं करता. आई वेंट टू यूके. उधर भी देखा ऐसा दुकान था बर्गर का. उसको ही 500 दिया. मुझे लगा गांधी जी को देख के खुश हो जाएगा वो. उसने भी फाड़ दिया. मैं बोला व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. बोला सी हमारा कंट्री में ये नहीं चलता है, पॉन्ड्स चलता है. उसने पाउंड बोला, मैंने पॉन्ड सुना. मैंने बोला पहले बोलने का था ना. 2-3 डब्बा उसको पॉन्ड पाउडर का दे दिया. उसने 2 बजा दिया. मैं बोला क्या किया. बोला हमारा ये पाउंड्स पाउडर नहीं, इस करेंसी का नाम है पाउंड्स. तो मुझे समझ गया अपना करेंसी इंडिया में खाली चलता है, बाकी जगह पे नहीं चलता है. तो ऐसा कौन सा यूनिट अच्छा है जो सब जगह पे चलता है कि खाली अपना कंट्री में चलता है?
सब
यूनिवर्सल
जगह पे
चलता है, वो
चलता
अच्छा है.
सब जगह
Universally.
को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? यूनिवर्सली. सो कैन आई से फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ गुड यूनिट इज इट शुड बी universally
Universally accepted.
accepted. Yes, universally accepted. This
Okay.
Covishield and Covaxin, is it universally accepted medicine for corona?
No idea.
No, sir.
So then other countries are using something else?
Yes, sir. They are using their own made vaccines. कोई ले रहा है बाकी.
नहीं, मैंने सुना अपना कंट्री ने बाहर वाले को भी दिया, ब्राजील वाले को.
हाँ सर दिया, बट नॉट ऑल.
Wow.
चाइना का भी तो वैक्सीन चल रहा है.
नहीं, चाइना वाला देखो चल गया तो चांद तक, नहीं तो सांझ.
चाइना का वैक्सीन ज्यादा की चीजें ज्यादा तक देर तक टिकती नहीं.
नहीं, चाइना का वैक्सीन कौन लिया मालूम है आपको? पाकिस्तान का
Chinese.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने लिया पाकिस्तान का, इमरान खान. दूसरे दिन बीमार पड़ गया वो. तभी उसको समझ में आया कि इंडिया का वैक्सीन कितना मजबूत है. मतलब अपना वैक्सीन अच्छा है, तभी तो ब्राजील वाला ने लिया ना.
Yes.
So it should be
I think so. Russia has also taken, no?
No, Russia is going to give us Sputnik V, which is
New vaccine.
in collaboration with Dr. Reddy Lab. They are manufacturing.
Yeah, sir.
Oh.
So we will get ample supply of vaccine within 1 or 2 months. So then there will be no queue. Direct जाओ, vaccine ले आ जाओ.
Sir, it is said that children should not take vaccine.
तो
Below 18
हमारे
years,
लिए है ही नहीं.
हाँ, below 15 years नहीं लेने का है
no,
vaccine.
reason for
18.
that, already you are having already many vaccines taken na in your childhood. So they are having antigens in the body.
Oh.
और एक्स्ट्रा लेंगे तो दोनों फाइटिंग करेंगे ना आपस में.
हाँ सर.
तो
सर मतलब
उसका रिएक्शन हो
चिल्ड्रन लोग
सकता
का
है.
पहले से इम्यूनिटी बहुत ज्यादा रहता है.
इंडियन तो मतलब एकदम सही रहते हैं ना इंडियन.
चिल्ड्रन इंडियन नहीं, चिल्ड्रन.
अच्छा, children, I thought Indian. So it should be universally accepted. First point, right?
Sir, return.
Return. Are Bhavya, where you had been? Which part of the northeast?
सिक्किम.
Only Sikkim,
हाँ, yeah sir, like Sikkim, Darjeeling
Gangtok.
and Lachung, Darjeeling, Gangtok.
Okay. So when you came down of the flight on airport, in
Yeah.
pocket you had suppose 500 rupees. ठंडी से वो 5 हो गया क्या?
नहीं सर, कॉइन रहता तो हो जाता, नोट है.
अच्छा, कॉइन रहता तो 500 का कॉइन 5 हो जाता, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं.
हाँ सर.
तो मतलब अगर मैंने क्लासरूम टीचिंग चालू किया ऑफलाइन, तो आप घर से आएंगे तो 50 kg का 1 घंटा लेक्चर हुआ, मम्मी को फोन करेंगे, मम्मी मेरा वजन 500 किलो लग रहा है, जरा क्रेन दे दो, ऑर्डर दे. That means this should
It should not be affected by.
time and place, है ना? So can I say?
No sir, I was just kidding.
Even I was also kidding. Who is serious, man? Physics is only comedy lecture. Right.
Yes, sir.
It should not change with time and place.
It should
Not
not.
change with
be-
time and place. People
not
say
be-
physics is difficult. What, Sudhanshu? Physics is difficult?
ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा सा.
Pardon?
Little bit.
It's easy?
Yes sir, it's easy also.
Yes.
It's nice.
And when I am here, there is no fear.
Yes.
It should not change
Yeah,
with time
sir.
and place. Okay. 2 points
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Tarun,
Yes, sir.
can I clear this 2 point?
Yes, sir.
Don't
sir.
go for washroom. Anybody? Or lecture? Let us go. Third one.
Third point.
Sir, I needed the second point.
Same here,
It
sir.
should not be changed with
It should
time
not
and place.
change with time and place. Shall I
Sir,
move?
can you show?
एक बार गया तो चला जाता है वो. It should not change with time and place.
And place.
If I don't write, then I can bring it back. If I have written something after clearing that, then it doesn't come. Because I'm not writing page wise, I'm writing only verse.
Yeah sir, it should not change its time and it should not
Change
change.
with.
It should
With-
not
with-
be
with.
changed. It
It
should
should
not be
not-
changed with.
It should not change.
Be changed with.
It should not be changed with time and place. Written.
हाँ sir.
Okay. What
Yeah,
is
sir, done.
1 meter? How many centimeter? केवल
100. 100.
कौन बोला ये? कौन बोला ये? कौन बोला? कौन बोला?
मैं भी बोला और वो
सबने बोला ना?
सुधांशु भी बोला.
सबने बोला ना? फास्ट फास्ट.
हाँ सर.
अबे 2 मीटर देखते हैं कौन बोलता है. 2 मीटर.
200 centimeter.
क्या स्मार्ट लोग है यार आप लोग. 3 मीटर
300 centimeter.
300 centimeter.
सब स्मार्ट है. 1 rupee is 100 paisa. 2 rupee
200
200
paisa.
paisa.
3 rupees
300
200
paisa.
300
4
paisa.
rupees.
400
400
paisa.
paisa.
अभी देखते हैं ऊँट आया पहाड़ के नीचे. 1 inch is 2.154 centimeter. 3 inch. अभी सुधांशु
हाँ?
भी चुप हो गया, केवल भी चुप हो गया, भव्य भी चुप हो गया.
6.408 408.
क्या फेंक रहे हैं?
हाँ सर,
Six-
6.408.
3 4 is 12. पहला 2 आएगा ये लास्ट.
हाँ नहीं सॉरी.
मतलब टाइम
हाँ,
लगता है और
12.
गलती भी होता है ना.
हाँ
yes,
सर.
sir.
तो ये
बेटर स्केल में ही देख लेते हैं. स्केल में लिखा
6.4
है.
6.492 in centimeter.
अरे गंदा यूनिट है. छे. सो अच्छा यूनिट कौन सा है? Which should be easily convertible or not
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
from one system to another system. So third point, it should be easily. It should be easily converted from one system to another system. It should be easily converted from one system to another.
Hmm. Written.
Okay, fourth point. Why we are having online lectures? Because we are enjoying
No, sir, due to corona.
Yeah.
due to corona. Okay, due to corona, COVID-19, कोई भी बाहर आके पढ़ाई करो ना.
Hmm.
That's why we
Okay.
are not coming out now, because we are having fear of caught with that virus, है ना?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
तो कोई तो मुझे बोला सर ऐसा कुछ मेडिसिन है क्या जिसको मैं खाया तो पूरा टेंशन दूर. मैं बोला है ना, जाके जाओ मेडिकल शॉप में.
Vishield. COVID vax.
That is vaccine. आपने
Poison.
बोला-
Poison ले लो, खत्म भाई.
अच्छा, मतलब आप बोल रहे हैं ना रहेगा बांस ना बाजेगी बांसुरी.
Yes, sir.
अब बाप रे.
तो कोई इसको किसको ना फिजिक्स सब्जेक्ट इतना अच्छा लगता है, लोग बोलते हैं सर ऐसा कुछ दो ना मसाला, क्या फुल मार्क मिले, इतना कौन टेंशन पालेगा. तो मैंने बोला एक काम करते हैं, आप ना मार्केट में बुक सेलर के पास जाके बोलो गिव एबीसी ऑफ फिजिक्स, उसमें सब है, वो पढ़ लिया ना तो आपका टेंशन दूर फिजिक्स में. सो सुधांशु बेट सर पहला क्यों नहीं बोला, मैं आज ही भाग भाग के जाता हूँ. गया भाग भाग के शॉपकीपर को बोला गिव मी एबीसी ऑफ फिजिक्स, उसने 2 बजाया. बोला क्या दिमाग खराब कर दिया, सुबह तो 8 बजे दुकान बंद करने का है, ऊपर से एबीसी बोलते हैं क्या मार्केट में ये. तो ये अच्छा बुक है क्या, अवेलेबल ही नहीं मार्केट में.
अच्छा नहीं है सर, बहुत बुरा
अच्छा
है.
है ना, बहुत बुरा है. तो कोई तो बोला सर थोड़ा मुझे कॉमेडी वाला बुक बोलो ना. मैं बोला जाओ उधर एक बुक मिलेगा, फैंटम. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट फैंटम?
No.
Earlier we used had this comic books Phantom.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Now it is not available. So मैं क्या बोलूंगा, फैंटम से अच्छा PS4 खेलता हूँ ना, मजा भी आएगा.
हाँ.
काउंटर स्ट्राइक खेलता हूँ, मजा आएगा.
Hmm.
So that unit is good unit which is available. Not available मतलब गंदा ना.
हाँ.
So it should be easily available. It should be easily available.
Sir, this fourth point का connection just the unit से कैसे है?
अगर कोई बोला I will measure my weight in ऐसा कुछ बोला मुंह, ये मुंह मिलता ही नहीं है, कैसा मेजर करेंगे. कोई बोला ओके I will measure in kg, but when you went market में kg out of stock है, तो ग्राम लेके आना पड़ा ना अपने को. नहीं समझा लगता है.
नहीं समझा.
कुछ नहीं समझा.
केजी कैसे आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो गया? इट इज इजीली अवेलेबल.
ना आई एम एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग.
ओके सर.
So if it is not available, then you will say, sir, please can I measure myself in gram because kg is not available.
तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 करना.
Yeah, that means you will bring the instrument 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram, 4 gram ऐसा रख के you will sit here on other weighing balance and you will measure answer in grams.
आप नीचे के नीचे ही रहोगे.
तब लॉजिक समझ में आ गया?
Yes sir.
Okay. So 4 points we wrote. It should be universally accepted, not change with time and place, easily convertible. It should be easily available.
Yes sir. Written.
Okay. How many types of quantities are there? Physical quantities?
Two types.
So
Derived.
Fundamental quantities and derived quantities.
Sir, can you repeat all the 4 points आपने just पहले जो बोले?
you are checking me?
No, sir. I was just rechecking myself.
अच्छा अच्छा, I thought you were checking. चल सर को याद है क्या? It should be universally accepted.
Accepted. It should not be changed with time and space.
Sir, लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है.
अच्छा, only orally. It should not change
Yeah, sir.
with time and place. It should be easily convertible from one system to another. It should be easily available. These are 4 points. Now, if quantities are two types, fundamental and derived, then to measure them, we require units also of two type or not?
Yes sir.
So can I say there are two types of units? First,
Yeah.
two types of units.
Fundamental and derived.
Very good. Yes. What will be fundamental units? Which does
Meter.
not- Fundamental. But definition: those units which does not depends upon any other units are called as fundamental units. So because there are 7 fundamental quantities, same way there are fundamental units. We'll see later. Just write this definition. There are two types of units. First, fundamental units, those units which does not depends upon any other unit.
सर सुधांशु लीव हो गया.
नहीं, आ गया.
Written.
Return. Sudhanshu, you are there now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, actually, internet connection was gone. That's why I left the class.
That's why this internet वाला matter is गंदा ना, कभी भी उड़ जाता है.
Yes, sir.
ऑफलाइन लेक्चर कितना मजा आता. मैं मेरा घर से खाना लाता, आप अपने घर से खाना लाते, दोनों मिलके खाते. Right. So those units which does not depends upon any other units are called as fundamental units. Second, derived units. Those units which
Are dependent upon fundamental units.
yeah, which depends upon fundamental units are called as derived units.
Written.
Okay, everybody has written?
No,
Sir, we
sir.
are ready.
Second point बाकी है.
Yes, please complete.
Sir, but this we had wrote just now, na? We had written this derived quantity.
Yeah, sir. We had written this above.
ये
बेटा,
वो quantity था, ये unit है.
ये unit
Okay,
है.
हाँ. Quantity.
देखो, सावधानी हटी.
सर,
दुर्घटना
तो फिर
हटी.
उसमें
वो
फर्क ही क्या है? क्वांटिटी के जगह यूनिट लिखना है.
हाँ, बट मीनिंग अलग है ना. चपाती क्या है? क्वांटिटी है. 2 चपाती मतलब 2 नंबर है. फर्क है ना.
या सर. हाँ सर, हो गया.
If I say length,
Sir, I have not written. I'm writing the first one also. Just a minute.
देखो बीच बीच में टाइम प्लेस लेके वॉशरूम मत जाओ. हाँ.
No, sir, due to internet connection, I had not
अच्छा.
written.
Oh, okay.
Sir, that is also the fundamental unit of our body.
Yes. Correct. So shall I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now Sudhanshu, can I clear?
Okay, sir. Understood. Done.
System of units. If I have to come to your house, then should I bring that? What is that test called nowadays?
RT-PCR.
So should I bring that RT-PCR test report?
सर
Then only
समझा
will-
नहीं.
No, sir. Antigen test will also do.
Okay. That means if I bring that copy, then only will allow you will allow, or you will say नहीं सर चलेगा आप खाली मास्क पहन के आओ.
हाँ सर, खाली मास्क पहन के आओ, आपके लिए
हाँ,
फ्री.
sir.
मास्क पहन के आया.
हाँ. That means you will say sir नहीं मास्क पहन के आएंगे, हाथ धो के आएंगे, and if you carry sanitizer, will allow you.
No, sir. Sanitizer, no. Hand wash.
Hand wash, okay. Slowly this will become system. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Hmm.
Now, like if we go out and we don't wear a mask, it feels like we are the odd one out.
So that has become now style statement. अरे क्या मास्क पहना अच्छा स्मार्ट लग रहा है ना?
हाँ
So
सर.
that will become slowly system. So sometimes tie बंद हो जाएगा स्कूल में, मास्क चालू होएगा. No tie, only mask. So these are systems. मैचिंग शर्ट का साथ मैचिंग मास्क भी मिलता है अभी आजकल. Yeah, I
Sir,
saw one
new trend. New trend.
new trend. I saw one message. Purchase one shirt and get 2 masks free. फिर नीचे लिखा डिजाइनर मास्क. डिजाइनर मास्क में ना उस पे एक जिप लगाया था, पीने के लिए जिप खोल सकते हैं और पी के फिर मास्क बंद.
वाह,
डिजाइनर मास्क.
अजीब है.
तो
पुलिस भी नहीं पकड़ेगी.
और
और
अपना काम का काम भी
भी-
हो गया. एक बंदा सिगरेट पी रहा था, मास्क को खोल के ऐसा चेन लगाया था, चेन. I'm just joking. So system of unit is what. So somebody comes to your house. आप पहले क्या उसको मार के देखेंगे अपना आदमी है क्या नहीं?
No, we will
we
greet.
will greet him by folded hand ना. Okay, आ जाओ. Folded hand will greet and will say, come on, take the seat. Suppose that offline lecture in the classroom, lecture over, you return back to your home. How you are going to enter in your house? Any system you follow?
No, sir.
No,
नो
मतलब
सर.
आपका
ये
घर का
सर सिर्फ
दरवाजा.
बेल दबा दे.
हाँ
हाँ
पहले
सर,
बेल दबाना
बेल
पड़ेगा.
दबाओ, बेल दबाओ, सोफा पे बैठो, शूज निकालो और फिर हाथ धोने जाओ.
हाँ
हाथ
मतलब
मुंह
you
धो के
follow
शांति से बैठ जाओ.
certain system you follow. बेल दबाया, फिर फुटवेयर्स निकाला, हाथ धोया, हाथ पोछा, फिर कुछ तो खाया, फिर बाजू वाले के शर्ट पे पोछ दिया. No, again we'll clean ना.
हाँ सर.
So this
हाँ,
system
sir.
we follow, no. So same way to measure something, we follow system of units. So system of units. Earlier there were 3 system of units. First is called as MKS
एस
system.
MKS.
FPS
It
CGS
is also called as
CGS.
metric system.
Yes, sir.
metric.
Metric. Where length?
One is UK system.
No, this is UK system.
And CGS system.
This is measured in length is in meter
Meter,
Mass in
kilogram,
kilogram.
Meter,
second.
kilogram, seconds.
second. And what is CGS system?
Centimeter,
Centimeter
gram,
gram,
gram
second.
second.
This
Sir,
is
in
called
every system, second
Yes.
was common.
that is constant. Yeah. This
Hmm.
is called French system. FPS
FPS.
system.
Foot, pound, and second.
Yes. Foot, pound, and second. This is
UK.
nothing but British system. Yes.
Hmm.
Who will understand so many system? So सबने बोला we will discard all this system will follow one system of unit.
That is SI system.
Yes.
System International.
SI
SI unit.
system of units.
Hmm.
So all the scientists
System
together,
international unit.
all the scientists they gathered in a place at Geneva, which is close to Paris. सबने बोला,
Switzerland.
हाँ स्विट्जरलैंड के पास. So Indian scientists, Pakistani scientists, Chinese scientists, they all started discussing. India said we had made one bomb. नाम है उसका अणु बॉम्ब. पाकिस्तान बोला what is that? We have made Nua bomb. उल्टा बोल दिया. Chinese said ये कुछ नहीं है. We have made Hua bomb.
नहीं सर, चाइनीज बोलेगा ये चुप बैठ पाकिस्तान, मैंने ही तेरे को बनाया है.
Good idea.
So there was one scientist who was knowing सबका language. और बोला सबके सब पागल है, एक ही चीज बनाया सबने, एटम बॉम्ब.
यस सर.
So henceforth अलग अलग लैंग्वेज में
Yeah.
बात मत करो, कंफ्यूजन होएगा. नॉर्थ कोरिया वाले को बुलाना पड़ेगा, वो हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब बनाए. So they said we will not follow different language. This was conducted where this meeting?
Geneva.
Geneva.
Near Switzerland.
Which
Geneva.
Yeah, there which language they speak in?
इंग्लिश.
No,
English. No.
mostly French language.
French है, English है.
हाँ,
फिर
Dutch भी है.
the Swiss also there is some language.
Yeah,
Dutch
and Spanish is also there.
है.
So they said we'll follow one system,
I language.
which is systeme.
इंटरनेशनल.
International Day Units.
तो वो लोग में सबका आगे ऐसा शायद ऐसा बोलते रहेंगे. System A. So if you go there, then they will say Bhavya A, Keval A, Ganshu A, Tarun A. So the system,
French, no? This is
yeah, that is right. The system of units which are internationally accepted are called as SI system of units. It is abbreviation, means short form of Systeme,
International Day Units.
internationally
Units.
the unities. So they can ask, what is full form of SI system of unit? Systeme internationally D unities. Followed this?
Sir, what does that D stands for?
It is French, no? So
हाँ,
it is,
हाँ,
they
हाँ.
do.
देखो ये फ्रेंच वाले को पूछना पड़ेगा, ये खुद चला गया बोल के.
Off unit.
Okay, write this much, system of unit and copy full. Sunday you are going anywhere? You all are going anywhere Sunday?
No, sir.
एक एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर ले लो क्या?
Yes, sir.
भव्या चलेगा क्या?
हाँ सर. सर सुबह को कि शाम को?
ना तेरा ना मेरा, दोपहर को.
हाँ
वाह.
सर, दौड़ेगा.
उड़ेगा.
10 to 11.
उड़ेगा रॉकेट.
10 to
हाँ
11.
सर, चलेगा.
तरुण
चलेगा.
सर
जरूर.
थोड़ा लेट और थोड़ा लेट.
उड़ेगा.
थोड़ा लेट 10:30. और भी
ओके
लेट.
सर, फाइन.
क्या
हाँ सर,
11
10:30 भी चलेगा.
11 to 12.
ओके सर.
हाँ, yes sir. That's okay.
लॉक करूँ, लॉक कर दूं क्या?
हाँ सर.
ये लॉक
लॉक किया जाए.
चलो मार दिया जाए कंप्यूटर जी.
यस, ये 11 to 12 रहा आपके स्क्रीन पर. ओके, कॉपी दिस.
सर ये लिखना है SI यूनिट द
हाँ, this
सिस्टम
whole
ऑफ
thing, right?
यूनिट्स व्हिच
हाँ,
आर
yes, you have to write. Right, Paul. Because if they ask MKS system is dash system, it is matrix system, you should know.
सर बुक में ऐसा कुछ भी दिया है. In 1960 the General Conference of Weights and Measure
हाँ वो बाद में आएगा.
Sir, we have to send a PDF of our book to you.
No, I know the book.
Okay, sir.
Selena you are using na?
Yes, concise physics.
Yes,
Selena.
I am also having same book only.
Yeah, they are standard units.
Standard books, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And B1. And the
Fundamental.
B1 is so confusing.
They
The
are
teacher is
fundamental.
speaking and I am feeling like let's sleep.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
first chapter if you are enjoying na, rest all chapters are very interesting. In fact,
Sir,
first
just a minute. I am just writing one line.
okay. I want that you all should get full mark in the exam.
Okay, sir.
So this Sunday is extra lecture. There won't be any test. Then Friday.
सर आप
हाँ,
सर
हाँ.
आप सिखाओगे तो हम कहाँ फेल होएंगे?
Oh, so greatness of yours. I am humbled. Thank you. Tell your other friends also like this, huh? हाँ खींच खींच के लाने का बोलना. अभी 9th में किधर भी गया 10th
हाँ
में
सर.
एक ही जगह पे जाने का है. चलो, can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tarun, return बेटा.
Yes, sir.
सुधांशु.
सर मेरे को बहुत बार डाउट जाता है कि आप धरोड़ बोल रहे हो कि तरुण बोल रहे हो.
Tarun. Sir,
अभी
done.
लगता है
Okay.
अच्छे से चाय भी पीना पड़ेगा. आवाज बराबर नहीं मेरा लगता.
हाँ नहीं सर, बहुत बार थोड़े सर जैसा सरनेम से बुलाते हैं ना सबको.
किधर गया? Okay, bye. Take care.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
अच्छा
sir.
सर,
Have a nice
खत्म?
day.
Thank you.
क्लास
Thank
खत्म?
you. Thank you. अरे
टाइम
समझाइए
कैसे
ना.
पास हो गया पता ही नहीं चला.
हाँ, तो तभी तो
हाँ
मजा आएगा.
सर.
Okay, okay.
हाँ सर, नेक्स्ट क्लास अभी संडे को. अरे संडे, हाँ संडे को ही ना?
Sunday, yeah, 11 to 12. I will post it. Don't worry.
ओके
Okay,
सर.
sir.
Okay,
Bye, sir. Thank you,
बाय
sir. Have a
सर,
nice
थैंक
day.
यू
Bye,
सर,
sir.
बहुत मजा आ गया सर.
Best. Thank
हाँ,
you.
sir.
अभी
Bye,
आगे भी
sir.
मजा
Bye,
आएगा.
sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
सर आप अपना मुंह तो दिखाओ.
अरे मैं अभी इसने देखो ना स्क्रीन बंद कर दिया. दिख नहीं रहा है.
सर ने दिखाया था.
हाँ नहीं
हाँ नहीं, वापस ऐसा बाय करते समय.
बाय. मुझे भी एक्चुअली बाय करना है आप लोग को, लेकिन स्क्रीन में भी नहीं है. चलो नेक्स्ट टाइम बाय करते हैं.
ओके
Okay,
सर,
sir.
बाय
Bye, bye.
सर.
बाय
Bye, sir.
बाय
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
बाय. थैंक यू. बाय डियर.